Welcome back. The Lagos State government says 2,800 construction sites and businesses were sealed between 2025 and 2026 over safety violations. Commissioner for Special Duties Olugbenga Oyerinde disclosed this at the 2026 ministerial briefing, adding that emergency response efforts also saved properties worth 118.32 billion naira from fire incidents. Magbo Josu has the details.
Fire outbreaks, building collapse, flooding, and other emergencies remained major challenges confronted by emergency responders in Lagos State between 2025 and 2026. At a ministerial press briefing held to commemorate the 7th year in office of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu and Deputy Governor Dr. Obafemi Hamzat, the Commissioner for Special Duties and Intergovernmental Relations, Olugbenga Oyerinde, highlighted the ministry's achievements and efforts in emergency response and disaster management.
Improve community-based security coverage and rapid response capability, strengthen protections of critical infrastructures, enhance intelligence gathering and crime prevention capacity, increase international support and credibility in security governance.
Speaking on safety compliance, Oyerinde disclosed that agencies under the ministry sealed over 2,800 sites and businesses for violating safety regulations.
43 event centers were visited to monitor the level of compliance, auditing, and enforcement exercise. Total number of gyms, spa, cinema parks, and garden audited are 20. Total numbers of certificate issues to restaurants and supermarkets is 350. Total numbers of restaurants and supermarkets that were sealed for non-compliance with safety regulations are 100. Total numbers of restaurants and supermarkets audited from year 2025 to date are 350.
It further revealed that March and April recorded the highest number of emergency incidents within the period under review, noting that the Lagos State government, through relevant agencies, has intensified fire prevention measures to curb outbreaks and ensure compliance with safety regulations.
1,972. Fire incident is 1,685. Victim rescued alive is 473. Fatalities recovered is 133. The economic impact, the estimated property saved is 118 billion. Estimated property loss is 19 billion.
The commissioner also added that the state currently has over 15,000 respondents serving across agencies, including the Lagos State Neighborhood Safety Corps, Lagos State Command and Control Center, Lagos State Safety Commission, and the Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, LASEMA. Magbo Josu, LTV News.